Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, and as you can see here, just finished, we're doing a shrimp or prawn, whatever you call that, stir-fry noodles. Really quite simple, absolutely delicious. Let's go and do it. Okay, let's take a look at some of the ingredients we're going to be using today. Sliced onions. I'm using a white onion. You could use red if you want, a red onion if you wanted. I've got some bell peppers there, just a bit of colour in there. Sliced fresh garlic and sliced ginger. I'm using quite a lot of these. I want that to be quite a big flavour in there. Some soy sauce, some fish sauce, and some mild chilli sauce or sriracha. Here I've got some cooking shrimps. So these are quite small, raw. We're going to cook them. They were frozen. I put them into some water and then softened them a little bit, but we're going to fry them off. And then just for our noodles, these are the noodles I'm using today, like a pad thai type noodle. You can use any noodle you want, like a nice thin one, a rice vermicelli, or up to you. So get them prepared and ready. Quite simple. We're going to start this off with a touch of oil. Let's go and do it. Okay, so I've got my wok here. Everything we're going to do is on quite a high heat, so maximum heat right now. We're going to get that oil nice and hot. Sunflower oil I'm using, but you could use something else if you wanted. We're going to start off with our ginger. And I've cut this into nice long strips. You can chop it smaller if you want. I kind of like it in there as a nice bite. To that we're going to add our garlic. Again, kind of chunky cut, nice big slices. And what we need to do is infuse this oil and cook our garlic and ginger. It's going to give it a lovely flavour. While I'm here, let's go for some pepper. Now we're not going to be adding any salt to this because we've got fish sauce, very salty, and soy, again salty. That's just changing colour now. So I'm just going to grab a handful of my onions here, and in they go. And on this high heat, let's throw these around in the pan for like 2 minutes. We've got some lovely colour on our garlic and ginger now. And our onions, as you can see, are cooking down very nicely. At this stage, we're going to add in our shrimp. Now, we're probably going to get quite a bit of water or moisture out of these. But in they go. So high heat again, about 4 minutes, stirring pretty much all the time. Like I say, you're going to get some juice or water from the shrimp. If there's too much, we're going to need to burn it off. But let's take a look in about 4 minutes. So as you can see, there's quite a lot of moisture in there. Now I don't want that in there. Some people would use that. I don't want it on there. I want to kind of keep cooking these and kind of burn that off. It'll kind of evaporate with the heat. So keep stirring. I'm going to go for about another 3 minutes and it will pretty much, most of it would have gone. There you go, just a few minutes that was, just to kind of get rid of most of that moisture. I mean, there's still a little bit in there. I'm going to go in with that bit of bell pepper, just for a little bit of colour. And of course you could be using different colours, red or yellow or something like that. To that I'm going to add some soy. Not too much. And then the fish sauce, again about the same amount. Then we're going to go in with our sweet chilli. Or hot chili if you wanted that. Sweet chili works really nice in this. So we're still on a high heat. As we throw that around, I'm now going to go in with our noodles. Like I say, any noodle can work. And then we're going to flip this around, high heat again, just for maybe 3 to 4 minutes. Keep stirring all the time now. And off goes the heat. Now, just to finish off, optional few chili flakes, just to give it a little bit of a kick. Stir that in, and that's done. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you really soon. Lots of love.